Hi everyone! Today I take you to the Chinatown in Bangkok. After the Chinese lost the Opium War, the Chinese people escaped from their country to establish the Chinese community around the world, and the Chinatown in Bangkok is one of the oldest Chinese community. The starting point was at the BTS train station at National Stadium Station, and the tour ended near the MRT station Wat Mangkon Kamalawat-the, and the tour guide will walk us to Wat Mangkon station at the end. Started from National Stadium station, we get off at the second exit. There is a stationery shop called Suksa Panpanit where we meet our tour guide. The tour started 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so the traffic is not so bad. We took the bus number 204 from the National Stadium to the place called Tha Nam Rachawong. We get off the bus and walk to LaupunTaokong Shrine. The shrine was established when the Chinese came from the mainland to Songwat Pier. They wanted to uphold their moral, which sacred object to protect them from obstacle and problem. This shrine was established almost 200 years.
They have to build the shrine and invite God who protect them from the bad thing and help them for the business.
Buckets of fortune sticks are provided for you here. Hold it horizontally and shake it vigorously. Wait until the first one falls and look at the number that attached with the stick and read the paper that has the same number. It will provide the answer for the future for you. If it says something bad, you leave it at the shrine, but if it's good, keep it with you. From the shrine, we walk to Sampheng, the place for wholesale products. For example, fabrics, shoes, sandals, sunglasses, cosmetics, toys, jewelry, and many things. It's hot and busy with push cart, motorcycles, but it's worth it to come because it's one of the cheapest places to come shopping.
Yeah, everybody. So you will see this building.
This colonial style building is TangTohKang Gold Shop. The shop dates back to the reign of King Rama VI and still trades today. It used to be the tallest building in Yawarat area. On the 6th floor, located Gold Shop Museum. It exhibits tools and instruments used for making jewelry and the history of gold trade. Besides TangTohKang, there are hundreds of gold shops on Yawarat Chinatown. Chinese herb market.
It's a fruit.
The next stop is Wat Mangkon Kamalawat or Wat Leng Nơ Yi, the largest and the most important Chinese temple in Bangkok. People perform a ritual to get rid of bad luck and ask the god to bring them good luck.
This is the joss paper.
Joss paper is a paper craft that will be burned in the funeral to ensure that the spirit has things in the afterlife. Chalerm Thai District Chinatown is Thailand's largest marketplace for joss papers as well as other Chinese ritual-related goods. The shops are come up with the updated designs of joss papers. Historic hut Chalerm Thai or Ban Kao Lau Reung. The house was once lived by a Chinese opera troupe. Now it becomes the first and only museum in Chinatown, which is operated by local people. It shows the life of Chinese who've been living here hundreds of years ago. So today I took a walking tour in Bangkok, the city that I was born and grew up. But I've never seen those streets, the walking streets that they took me walking around before. The tour cost 150 baht the tour guide told me that those money will go to the community that we visit, and it's the bus fee included in that 150 baht, which is around 3 euros. The tour guides are surprised that I am a first Thai that took this tour. I hope you enjoy my vlog today, and I would recommend that tour. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.